Berlin, she kept her tin, which all her hopes and dreams were in. She plans to run away with him forever. Leaves a note and starts to choke, can feel the lump that's in her throat. It's raining and she leaves